Hey everybody, it's Mark again, and this is part 2 of repairing this O-ring that goes in this clock. There's a wheel. First of all, the music is driven by the chain. The O-ring drives the water wheel. There's this plastic wheel right here that's on the end of the music box that the O-ring goes around, and then it goes around this rubber tire-like wheel also. In order to put this on, I have to put it around the big plastic wheel, which I think I can with it. Well, actually, I don't think I can. I think I'm going to have to take the music box out with the 5 screws that are on the side here. And then the tire has got a small E-clip on the end of the shaft. I'm going to take that E-clip out and then put it around the tire. Probably be best to put it around the tire first. But the O-ring has been sitting for over 12 hours. And like I said, I used the cheap super glue, Duro Bond. I believe that's what the name of it is. Yeah, Duro Superglue to repair this O-ring. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and take the music box out and put this O-ring on. So stand by. I got it on. There's a twist in it. Hopefully it doesn't affect it any. But if you watch the water wheel, it seems to be working. Time to clean this up a little bit and hang it back on the wall. We'll get back to you. Here we have it back on the wall. Now this clock was made by Albert Carlsberg, if I'm pronouncing that right. New, they cost around $1,500. Now typically an 8-day clock will not play music on the half hour. It has 2 different tunes, but it only plays on the hour. On the hour, it cuckoos while the bell ringer is pulling on his bell. And then the music plays. And as you can see, the water wheel is playing. So if you are having trouble repairing your O-ring, this might help you out. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and God bless.